AI video just took a big jump. Seedance 2.5 just launched from ByteDance, and it's live right now on JXP, one of the few places you can actually use it today. We're talking 30-second single-shot AI videos, up to 50 reference files in one generation, and the ability to edit just one part of your video without regenerating the whole thing. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set it up and generate your first Seedance 2.5 video on JXP step by step. Quick context before we jump in. Seedance 2.5 is ByteDance's newest video generation model, the same team behind TikTok. JXP is the platform we'll be using to access it. It gives you one workspace to upload references, write your prompt, choose settings, and generate. No separate apps needed. Compared to the earlier Seedance 2.0, this version stretches the native generation out to 30 seconds in a single continuous clip, raises the reference limit to 50 files, and adds local editing so you can fix one detail without starting over. Alright, let's open it up. Here's what you're looking at. On one side, your upload area, this is where reference images, video clips, or audio go. In the middle, your prompt box, this is where you describe the scene, and below that, your settings panel resolution, aspect ratio, and duration. JXP currently supports 480p and 720p output, and aspect ratios like 16:9 for YouTube, 9:16 for shorts and reels, and 1:1 for square posts. This step is optional, but it's what makes Seedance 2.5 genuinely powerful. You can upload up to 50 files total, a mix of images, video clips, and audio. Say you're making a product video, you'd upload a clear photo of your product, a reference image for the background or setting, and maybe a short audio clip if you want a specific sound cue. Each file you upload can be referenced directly inside your prompt, so the AI knows exactly what the product or the background means. This is the most important step. A good Seedance 2.5 prompt for a 30-second clip needs a clear structure, not just one line. Here's a simple template you can copy. Describe your subject and setting, then break the 30 seconds into time ranges. What happens first? What changes? The turning point, and how it resolves. Notice how it's broken into time ranges. That's the key to getting a coherent 30-second result instead of something that drifts halfway through. Slide the duration setting anywhere from 4 to 30 seconds for this example. We'll go with the full 30. Pick your resolution and aspect ratio, then hit generate video. Depending on the length and settings, this can take a few minutes. That's normal, especially for the longer 30-second renders. Once it's done, watch the full clip back. I'm genuinely impressed with Seedance 2.5. The image quality is outstanding, the cinematic motion is smooth and realistic, and the built-in audio makes the entire scene feel incredibly immersive. Now, let's try the text-to-video feature. Simply describe your vision in the prompt box. Then choose your preferred resolution and aspect ratio. For this demo, I'll keep the duration at 30 seconds. Once everything is set, just click Generate and let Seedance 2.5 bring your idea to life. Wow! Look at this result. This is absolutely insane. The cinematic animation, the premium stylized 3D quality, the camera movement, everything looks like it's straight out of a blockbuster animated movie. And the craziest part? This was generated in just 480p. Imagine how incredible it'll look at higher resolutions. Here's the quick tips before we go. 1. Keep your first prompt focused. One scene, one clear outcome. Don't cram 5 ideas into 30 seconds. 2. Reference images matter more than adjectives. Instead of describing a face in words, upload a reference image and point to it in your prompt. 3. JXP's content policy currently restricts real human faces and copyrighted characters, so lean on illustrated characters, AI-generated faces, or your own footage as references. And that's it. That's the full workflow for generating your first Seedance 2.5 video using JXP, from account setup to your finished edited clip. If you want to try it yourself, the link is in the description and pinned in the comments. If you found this useful and you want more tutorials on AI tools, automation, and building digital income streams, make sure to subscribe. And remember, let's automate, delegate, and earn passively together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.